Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I-80 Adventure. Today I will unbox my hair dryer, Diamond Ceramic. Let's open what is inside. It's the manual. It's the warranty coupon. Wow, it's nice. Diamond Ceramic Ion, GA.MA Italy Professional, 2300 watts. And this one, you can attach here if you want to use. Also this, wow. Also this one, you can attach here if you want to use. This is the volume 1, 2, 3. Also this is the volume for the hot and cold air. And this one, if you press like this, the cold air. And if you will not press, is the hot air. So it's nice guys. I like it. It's made in Italy. I hope you also like it. And this is all for today guys. Thank you for watching.